Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get Twitter Blue just like Elon Musk here, as you can see. Please keep on watching and let's start. Every user can now get Twitter Blue and it will be displayed next to their name. So all you have to do to get Twitter Blue is just move on to your home feed and just swipe to the right to bring up that options and then select Twitter Blue right next to your profile. In order to get Twitter Blue, you need to get paid subscription. So right here, you can select between annual and monthly subscription. And once you did that, just hit the add block button here to subscribe and get Twitter Blue. That's how it works, and hope this helps. See you on the next one.